Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge GitHub branches. So first of all, come here on GitHub, and then from the dashboard of your GitHub account, you need to come here on that particular repository that contains the branches that you want to merge. Now when you are inside, simply click on the option that says pull request share on the top. Now over here, click on the option of new pull request. Now after doing this, you will be shown the option of base and the compare. So under base, you need to make sure that the branch where you want to change changes to go is selected, which is going to be the main branch. So you need to simply select it. Then under compare, you need to select that particular branch which is containing the changes that you want to merge. So let's say I'm going to select the B1 branch here. Now this way GitHub is going to basically compare both of these, and it will show you the differences between these two branches. So you need to simply review these changes and then click on the option of create pull request, add a title and description, and then again click on the option of create pull request. Now once the pull request is ready, you can review the changes and make sure that anything required checks has passed. Now click on the option of merge pull request and then choose the available merge method. So merge commit is going to preserve the branch's individual commits, while squash and merge combines them into one commit. So you need to just then simply click on the option of confirm merge, and your changes will be part of the selected base branch. So you can optionally delete the merged branch afterwards if you no longer need it. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.